Greetings, YouTube. How's everybody doing out there today? Today is the second day of June 2021. We got about 3 more months and then fall will be here. So we're getting ready to go into the dog days of summer. It's about it's about 20 after 1 in the afternoon. I got off work early today because it's raining. Can't do no construction in the rain. But my new tool just showed up today. Now guys, I've probably said this 1,000 times. Whenever I see a tool that I want, I watch it for a while. If I want it, I'll buy it right away. But if I don't need it, I will wait and I will watch it. So I wanted one of these. Didn't need it yet, but I need it now. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Well, you guys get to see what I see. Something spewed all over the box. Well, let's see what it is. See if it ruined what I got. Anyway, I ordered this thing because it was $10 off, and I got a $10. It was $10 off the tool, and it didn't make it inside the box, whatever it was. So let me hurry up and get it out of the box and lay that over there. That's strange. So it is the Milwaukee polisher. It looks like a drill. Does it act like one? You got your handle. It goes on either side, whatever. I'm right-handed, so it's going to be more on this side for me. No batteries, no charger. After it was all said and done, it was $159. It was originally $169. Then they knocked it down to $159, and then I had 10% off. So when it was all said and done, it was like $152 with tax and everything. So every little bit helps. I think I saved like 18 bucks. So comes with the buffing pad and then 2 foam pads, and then this right here is the for the foam pads. The Velcro, and then let's see, okay, so that's Velcro, but this is also, this piece right here, also is for the little God, what do they call these things, the little disc. Let me find you one. Sanded discs. They're also for that too. So not only is it also a polisher, but also you can grind with it too. Let me grab a battery. Now with the battery, guys, it was $269. It's got the indicator on the side. That's speed 1. That's speed 2. And it's got a button here that locks it so you can hold, so it'll hold the thing. And it's all pretty much hand tight, guys. So basically, if you want a battery, I think it came with 2 batteries and a charger. It was $100 more. I got plenty of batteries, and I don't need no more chargers. I got plenty of chargers. So I waited and see, because I wasn't 100% sure if you just got the tool and you didn't get these here to go with it. So hang on again. I got there's some more stuff right here somewhere. I went to Harbor Freight. Hang on a second, guys. So I went to Harbor Freight, guys, and I got, because I'm pretty sure they're out there. I didn't look hard enough. I hate when you gotta look hard to find stuff. But I bought the earthquake buffing and polishing kit to see, are they close to the same? Now, see this one here, the buffing pad is different. This one here is more, they're both made of wool, but this one's like a padded wool, where this one here is like a clumpy wool. And then, of course, it came with their attachments. And they're Velcro too. They're Velcro too. So now we'll see if it works on my Milwaukee. Because you can buy they got one too. And it's their earthquake line. And Milwaukee's the only one that's got the most tools as far as I see. And they're innovating every 6 months something new is coming out. That's why I went to Milwaukee instead of staying with DeWalt. DeWalt just basically recycles their woodworking tools. They don't hardly have any mechanic stuff. To where if you want mechanic stuff, you got to buy the Mac line. So we're going to see if this works on this. And they do not work on this. They're smaller. But their screws are smaller. But let me get my Velcro pad out here. My Velcro pad works on their stuff too. Okay. Another thing too, you can see here. Well, you probably can wedge something in there and take that off. Let's see if theirs will come off easier. Because they pretty much got the same wedge. I can't get it off too easy. But if you can wedge something in there, you could probably get this bolt out and do it that way. But I'm not real concerned about I'm not concerned about their stuff not working on mine. Just as long as the Velcro pad, their Velcro pad works for their pads. Just hand tighten it. And this is their pads, and they do work. So I can replace, I don't have to dig deep. And Milwaukee's, their pads and stuff might be a little bit more than, Earthquake. But at least I got it. And this right here, this kit right here is $15. So you get the additives with it. which ain't no big deal to me if they don't fit on this or not, because I got the Milwaukee's. Milwaukee works fine, and only reason why I bought this kit is just to get their pads, pretty much. That's it. I'll see if these here down the road. I'm gonna buy a pneumatic one too. I'm gonna buy a pneumatic one too, and we'll see if them there don't fit on the pneumatic one. But that's the reason why I bought this kit, guys. I wasn't worried about these pieces because, like I said, I can switch them out if I want to. It's just going to take a little bit more effort than I thought. But my main thing was to get extra pads, and that was the main reason why I bought this kit, is to get the extra pads. But I don't know how much I will be buffing. I mainly got it. I got this here, Meguiar's Plastic X, and it says great for headlights. So I'm gonna do a video down the road here. My main goal today is I want to try to get the brakes and the shocks done on the front of this, so I can push it out, so I can start finishing up my shop here, because I'm like way behind. If you watch some of my previous videos, I want it to be done by a certain time, and I'm like 6-8 weeks out now, because one, I've been busy like you wouldn't believe, but when it rains like it's raining today, I don't have to stay there long. Actually, I could have just went in and left as soon as I wanted to, but I wanted to get a little bit of time in. So there you guys have it. Like I said, I thought it had reverse on it. It only goes one way, and it has a lock on it. It's 2-speed. It's 2-speed, so we'll see how all that works out. But so far, so good. And you can get this here at Harbor Freight too. And I'm gonna try that on my lights when I here probably about a month or so, because my goal is right now just get this thing, get the hard stuff done and push it out, and then I'll do the cosmetic stuff over the next few months. Like I got to put the bumper stuff back on. I want to paint everything. I got to get some more materials, and I'm just like I got so much stuff to do around outside still, guys, and I'm maxed out on my time. And when it's nice out, I've been working in another area, and we've been getting like anywhere from 12 to 15 hours a day. And I take advantage of that stuff, because in the construction field, which I've been in all my life, in the summertime, in the early spring and late fall, in the summertime is when you make your money. Because after that, when the weather starts going bad, then things come to a complete halt. So, but last year we worked all the way up until right after New Year's, maybe a week or two after New Year's, and then it went. So last year was a great year. But this year, it's, I don't know about you guys, it's been bad for me. I hope some of you guys are having a great year out there. But it's just been a bad year for me. And but you know what? All you do is, it's like when you get into a fight, you lose a few rounds, but then you start learning how to, well, don't do this and don't do that, and pick this up and pick that up, and try this and try that, you know. And that's pretty much where I'm at. So, well, guys, don't lose hope. Our country ain't over with yet. There's still some great things about to come to our country here pretty soon. I'm starting to hear a lot more chatter about things to come. So, well, guys, this is the Milwaukee polisher, and I don't know what was spilled on this thing. I don't know what that is. It smells like soap or something. But the number is 2438-20, and I don't know. I bought it from Home Depot. They also have free shipping too. Usually I'll have it shipped to the store, but Home Depot's pretty much where I buy all my Milwaukee tools at, because there's one about 35 minutes away from here. And they're the ones I usually buy my tools from. And when they offer free shipping, they're pretty quick on getting it out. When I ordered my cover for my welder, I ordered it on Sunday. It was there Monday. That's how fast it was. I ordered this one here on, it might have been Saturday when I ordered it, and it came today. Home Depot's pretty quick about getting their stuff out to people, and that's one of the things I like. But I only take advantage of that when it's free shipping. If it ain't free shipping, I'll have it shipped to the store, and then I go pick it up. But other than that, man, that's the only thing I pretty much go to Home Depot for anymore, guys. I used to be a Home Depot guy, and then I used to be a Lowe's guy, secondary. But I'm more like, I'm a Menards first, Lowe's second, Home Depot third. But Home Depot's first when it comes to Milwaukee tools, because they're the only ones that sell Milwaukee tools. Napa sells them, but they got an up mark. They up it their price a little bit. So Home Depot is reasonable, but eBay is there. I could have got this thing. I could have ordered it out of, I'm thinking it was South Korea. I could have ordered this thing. It's probably where they're made. I could have ordered it off eBay out of South Korea for like 111 bucks, and that was with shipping. But the downside to that is you don't know when it's going to be here, and if there's a problem. Like me, I ordered some stuff one time from eBay, and it came from Canada, and I didn't realize it, and it took a while to get here. And I tried to email the guy that I was buying my product from, and I got no response. So when you order stuff from another country, it takes a little bit more time, and it's a hassle to where if you order it in country, you'll get it faster. But if you want to try it, go ahead and try it. You might have good success with it, good luck with it, whatever. I don't know. I like buying stuff from right here in USA, because it gets here faster. Even if it comes from California, I can have it within 2-3 days of me ordering it. If I order something today, today's Wednesday, if I ordered it today and it's coming out of California, I'll have it either Friday or Saturday. So, but when you order from a foreign country, it can be 2 weeks, it can be 4 months. I don't know. It can be longer than that. I don't know. So it depends on what you order, what you want, and how bad you want it. But well, guys, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna shoot another video down the road when I go ahead and polish these lights. I'm gonna polish these and the side lights, and I don't know if the back one's needed or not, but we're gonna see how this thing works out. We're gonna see how this Meguiar's plastic works, or polish for plastic. We're gonna find out how that works. Well, guys, like this video, share this video, comment down below. Like I said, I can't always answer your comments, but I try to get to them. I don't know what it is, but my wife, she gets the comments before I do. I don't know how that works. And I shoot everything off of my phone. And the reason why I have to shoot off my phone and not a camera is because it uploads sometimes within seconds, sometimes a few minutes. If our internet is not good, because we're in a rural community and we don't have a great internet around here, so we have to rely on our phones. And our phones were with T-Mobile, and the reliability is not that good. So, well, guys, I hope you continue to have a great week. I hope you continue to. I hope it's a great year for you, and I got more tools coming, guys, and I will shoot more videos as I can. If it's still raining tomorrow, I might be able to upload another video tomorrow. So, well, guys, I will talk to you later. Until the next time, guys, bye-bye.